This is part 2 of the 27-inch 5K retina scan, 3.2 processor, DDR. Comes with 4 gigs. Comes with 8 gigs in it. I wanted to put 16 gigs in it, so these are 16 gigs right here using the crucials. Excuse me, this is an 8 gig and this is an 8 gig. And I have 4 slots, and if you guys don't know this, if you buy the 27 inches that are $15.99 and up, you can do this with the memory because it's not a solid state board. But if you buy the least expensive ones, you can no longer do this right here. Whatever the memory comes with it, that comes with it. And they did that just to make you buy the more expensive computers. So you can't switch your memories out. Okay, so basically this pulls down. So look at here, you have to do one of these numbers. That comes down. So just to show you guys that. And once you do that, then you can go ahead and inject them, slide them in here if your fingers don't get cramped up like mine are. Slide your memory. And like, okay, does this whole thing come out? Okay, it just pulls down like so. Okay, so this is hard to do with one hand. Yeah. Okay. So boom, it slides right in there just like that. So I had 2 empty slots, and I didn't want to spend $160+ on memory today because it gave me 2 8 gigs or 16 gig, and I was like, I don't need that much. So if you're getting 4 gigs of memory, it's going to cost you $49. So yeah, somewhere around there. 40, 39, $40, I don't know. Yeah, 49 bucks. And then if you're getting 2 8 gigs, it's $79 plus tax. So there you have it. It just slides in, and you go ahead and push the slider joint up, make sure it's all the way in, and push it all the way in, I believe. So there's that, guys, and you just pretty much together, and it goes back in some kind of way. So you push it back in, and then you put this back on top of it. And that's it. This is giving me a little difficult because I'm not using both hands trying to video and alright, I gotta figure out what I'm doing wrong, but nonetheless, you push it back in there, put this on, and that's it. It's your boy Tone 202. Let me know if you have any questions.